Welcome to Review Source. When precision matters and every cut counts, having the right saw makes all the difference. Whether you're coping complex crown molding, scrolling through hardwood, or just ripping through plywood for a quick project, accuracy isn't optional. Today, we're covering the best jigsaw cutters, chosen for their power, ergonomics, vibration control, and real-world durability. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started. First up is the DEWALT DCS334B, a tool that proves cordless doesn't mean compromising on raw power. This top-handle 20-volt max XR model is built around a brushless motor that delivers an impressive 3,200 strokes per minute. For users, the standout feature here is the variable speed trigger combined with a separate speed dial. This setup allows you to feather the speed for delicate starts, crucial when you're entering a cut on expensive walnut or oak. The all-metal lever-action keyless blade change is another highlight. It's fast, secure, and doesn't require you to touch a scorching hot blade after a long rip. Feedback from the woodworking community often points to the dual LED lights as a game changer, illuminating the cut line from both sides to eliminate shadows. While some users on forums mention the dust blower is merely average, the sheer cutting stability and overbuilt feel make this a favorite for general contractors who need a saw that can survive a drop and keep cutting true.
Next, we have the Bosch JS470EB, a corded barrel grip saw that many professionals consider the gold standard for precision. Bosch has long been the king of the jigsaw market, and this 7-amp powerhouse explains why. Unlike top-handle models, the barrel grip places your hand closer to the workpiece, significantly lowering the center of gravity for superior control on curved scrolling cuts. The constant response circuitry is the technical star here. It maintains your selected speed even when you hit a knot or a dense patch of hardwood, ensuring a consistent finish without stalling. It also features a die-cast aluminum footplate that is rock solid, resisting deformation even during heavy use. Real-world users frequently praise the blade ejection lever, which shoots out hot blades instantly without requiring gloves. While it is tethered by a cord and heavier than its battery-powered rivals, that extra weight actually helps dampen vibration, making it the go-to choice for shop-based cabinet makers who prioritize smoothness over portability.
At number 3, we have the DEWALT DCS335B. If you loved the power of the first DEWALT we mentioned, but prefer the control of a barrel grip, this is your answer. It shares the same 20-volt brushless motor and 3,200 SPM top speed as its D-handle sibling, but the ergonomics are completely redesigned for intricate work. The body grip style is preferred by finish carpenters who often cut upside down, like when coping baseboards or crown molding, because it's easier to balance in awkward positions. However, unlike the trigger-operated 334B, this model uses a simple on-off slide switch. This is great for continuous cutting, but some users on Reddit note that it takes a moment to get used to not having a dead man switch if the saw bides up. Users also appreciate the 4-position orbital action, which lets you switch from aggressive, fast cuts in framing lumber to smooth, splinter-free cuts in laminates. If you already run DEWALT batteries and need a tool specifically for detailed curves and coping, this body grip version is the superior choice. Coming in at number 4 is the Makita XVJOVZ. Makita has always excelled at ergonomics, and this 18-volt LXT brushless barrel grip jigsaw is arguably the most comfortable in the hand. While DEWALT's barrel can feel a bit thick for those with smaller hands, users consistently report that the Makita feels slimmer and more natural to grip for extended periods. It tops out at 3,000 strokes per minute, slightly slower than the DEWALT, but makes up for it with incredible smoothness. Makita's soft start feature suppresses the motor speed when the tool is on but not under load, which drastically reduces vibration and allows you to align your blade perfectly with the cut line before the saw ramps up to full power. On job sites, this saw is praised for its soft no-load logic, which keeps the tool quiet and easy to handle until it touches wood. It's a favorite among installers who need precision without the hand fatigue that comes from heavier, vibrating tools. If you prioritize comfort and low vibration over sheer speed, the Makita is hard to beat. Rounding out our list is the SKIL PWR Core 20 Brushless Jigsaw. For a long time, SKIL was seen as a purely consumer-grade brand, but their recent PWR core lineup has impressed serious DIYers and budget-conscious pros alike. This model features a digital brushless motor and a respectable 1-inch stroke length, making it more than capable of handling 2x4s and plywood. The standout feature here is the battery technology. The PWR Core 20 lithium battery wraps each cell in cooling material, which extends runtime and battery life, a feature usually reserved for much more expensive platforms. It also includes a halo light, an LED ring that provides shadow-free visibility of your cut line. User feedback highlights the incredible value. While some mention a slight lag in the trigger response compared to high-end brands, the consensus is that it punches well above its weight class. For homeowners or weekend warriors who want brushless performance and fast charging without spending a fortune, this SKIL jigsaw is the undisputed value king of the market. And that wraps up the top 5 best jigsaw cutters. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tool picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.